Hi, my name is Nabil Haziq. Today I will be presenting about airport expansion and investment. Alright, the first one is the main problem with airport expansion. Despite the plummeting of passenger traffic around the globe in recent years, over 200 airports are still experiencing more airlines demand than they can accommodate at peak times, which result in the implementation of strict slot coordination process to allocate scarce airport capacity. Runway expansion is often opposed by local communities who are likely to be subject and increased noise and pollution if the runway expansion goes ahead. Why do airport need expansion? Airport expansion give an impact to the economic growth of the region. In return, the region become attractive, invites foreign investment, and increase potential for business competence. Expansion allows airports to attract new aircraft and permits existing aircraft to fly farther. Why is airport expansion important? More travel destinations. With an expanded capacity, traveler can enjoy a greater choice of airline flight frequency and destinations at competitive airfares as airlines grows and expand with the increased airport capacity. The second one is a reason to expand airport infrastructure. Airport expansion is a natural outcome to a robust economy. Expansion allows airports to attract new aircraft and permit existing aircraft to fly farther. A government favor expanding airports. Their motivation is that airports are an important economic tool for connecting the country to other parts of the world. Third issue and challenges for airport investment. Common issues in airport expansion, there are two. First one is land acquisition. More space for ramps, terminal hangar, longer runway, and safety areas surrounding the airport may require the acquisition of additional land. The second one is obstruction removal. Often airport needs to remove obstruction to flight paths. This require not only the purchase of land but the removal of obstruction ranging from the trees to road or houses. For the first example of airport project, I will talk about Heathrow Airport. In the Heathrow Airport expansion, Heathrow is one of the world's busiest, handling 70 million passengers in 2012, more than a third transfer to other flights, making it a major hub airport. The plan involved building a new 3,500-meter runway about 2 miles north of the two runways. Heathrow already has an estimated cost of £14 billion. What are the impact of Heathrow expansion? What are the pros? Heathrow expand would deliver reduced fare, fewer delays, greater resilience, and more daily destination. Heathrow expansion would deliver more international passenger services and potential to carry more freight. What are the cons? Local people already endure bad air pollution and the noise disruption of approximately 1,300 planes taking off at Heathrow daily. Noise pollution would become even worse for 760,000 people living under the flight path. Heathrow Airport expansion cost problem. The full report was published on the 1st June 2015. This confirmed in the Northwest runway a new 6th terminal as the Commission chosen proposal. The Commission estimated the cost as around £18.6 billion, £4 billion higher than the Heathrow own estimate. Second example of airport expansion project, I will talk about KLIA2. KLIA2 Airport expansion built at approximately 4 billion ringgit. It is the largest purpose-built terminal optimized for low-cost carrier in response to the exponential growth of low-cost travel in the region. It was built to replace the previous low-cost carrier terminal LCCT. What are the impact of KLIA2 expansion? What are the pros? KLIA2 will provide multimodal transportation facilities such as ERL, buses and taxis, acting as transportation hub not only for convenience of passenger but also the surrounding communities. What are the cons? MAHB had ignored the recommendation of KLIA master plan, and the airport expansion work should be done at the north side of the international airport, where the soil is stable. This contributed to water collecting at the airport tarmac area, bumpy taxiway, and ground settling in the parking bays, despite the soil treatment work have been done during construction. KLIA2 expansion caused problem. The Parliamentary Public Accounts Committee has blamed Malaysia Airports Holding Berhad for design changes that cost to build Kuala Lumpur International Airport KLIA2 to balloon from RM2 billion to RM4.5 billion and missing the original deadline by nearly 3 years. The report also said that KLIA2 failed to achieve its objective as a low-cost terminal as requested by a low-cost carrier, had instead changed to be a hybrid concept airport. Now that I have already shown the comparison between Heathrow and KLIA2, both airport expansion have their own pros and cons. Not all airport expansion projects can be maintained within their own or cost or budget. The surrounding environment can be a real challenge for airport expansion if not carefully planned. In conclusion, airport expansion can attract additional air traffic and support airport revenue streams. In some scenarios, this approach is reasonable and justify expansion. In other, less reasonable and challenges dealing with the surrounding communities. That's all for my video. Thank you very much.